Talk about WordPress and its attribute. So now, when you look at WordPress like this, you will see this part is actually called front end. Uh, this part is called front end. It's like whatever that you are going to engage in this part, um, end user can see. If you make a content that is not good enough, just know that end user is going to be able to see any changes that you make here on the front end. Okay, so what happen is you don't have much that you do this side, but this is what you present to the world on your website. So now, since we are working on the WordPress, when you have logged in into your dashboard, this is what you have to see. You have to see the name of the website. You have to see customize. You also have to see possibly the updates, the comments, and the new. So when you click the new, it's actually a drop down where you can do the number of things. Like for example, here you can create a post, you can add a medium, you can create a page, you can create a cookie, you can create a user. Okay, so in our case and in our website, the- there are things that we are going to use. We are going to use post, which we're gonna use it most of the time when updating our website. After, we're gonna use media when we are actually putting maybe application form, putting pictures. That's when we will use medium. And the page, if you can see, this website has pages. This is a contact us page. This is a about us. This is a private policy, terms and condition, and disclaimer notice. So now we also have categories, which we're gonna create them on a go. So these are the categories, and how these categories works is that when you create a post, let me go to creating a post. When you create a post, you have to select which category does your post belongs to. Let's say, for example, since this is a job portal and there's a new cleaning government jobs in Helen Joseph Hospital, which means you're gonna say cleaners possibly needed in Helen Joseph spelling whatever, you will deal with it. Joseph Hospital, for example. This is just an example, okay? So now this is gonna be the title of our blog or the title of our post. After that, we have to get the body, okay? So we have to get the body. Let me say dummy text. Let me get dummy text. Okay. We have to get our the body. So yo, no, continue. I don't want to do this. Okay. Okay, let me go and get another dummy text to this one. It seems like they don't want to because I have an ad blocker. Okay, now here we have a dummy text, just for demonstration purpose. Nah, don't worry about it. So now this will be the body of our post. Then now we have to go to here to the post, and we have categories. On the category, this is a cleaning job, which it is a government job. You can click government job. But if you find that this post actually does not have a category, you can come here and create a category. Okay, so that's basically about the post. So also I talked about that we'll be creating pages. So the difference between a page and a post is that A post we update it frequently, and a page is static. If you make about us page or terms and condition page, you can actually change this page in a matter of in a matter of maybe 5 days, 10 days, or a year. Okay, so that's how you can change it. So now let's dive into the dashboard, because I think we have talked enough about the front end. So now we have updates. So this update include on the WordPress, we have themes. So this update include the themes, they might need to be updated. So you can just select all and do it and update, or you don't. It does not really affect your front end, what people see. And then we talked about post, we talked about media. So this is where the pictures, forms, they are stored in a short time. Okay. And now we have pages, we have new pages. So here we can see how many page we have, and if you wanna delete some page, we can delete them. Then we have comments. Okay. So in a WordPress blog, there are comments because people, they will be telling you what they want. They will be commenting on the post, which is also a good thing. You keep people engaged. Okay. So now this is just an additional things which are required. We want to talk about contact. So this contact, it appeared because I have added contact form. So you will see on your website, when you add contact form, you're gonna get this contact. And then the rank math is the plugin that helps us to be on top in terms of searches, and to create a good on post search engine optimization. But you should not worry much about this, because I'm going to show you how to do it, how to integrate it, and how to work with it. Okay. So now we have appearance. This is also some major thing. So we have themes. If you want to install a new theme on your website, so here on the appearances, that's what you're gonna see. And then you're gonna say add new. Then you can search any desired theme here. Okay, so you can search any desired theme here. So after that, we have customize. Customize is where you're gonna be writing all your things in terms of site and what. Yeah, you're gonna be writing your site, and then every theme has a different customization. So now you can see this is the customization of this theme. So also we're gonna discuss this moving forward on how to work around it. Okay. So after this, we have background, we have theme editor. So theme editor, when you go deep and you want to access the code of the theme, that's when now you can access the code, and then you customize your theme using code, which means this will require somebody that understand HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and PHP. So in this case, everything has been like made easy on WordPress. You don't have to worry much about this. However, we're gonna sometimes visit these pages because we wanna add something or we wanna remove something on our theme. But it's just some technical stuff which we will talk about going further. Okay. So now after that, we have plugins. So this is another important tool to look at. So on the plugin, that's when we add other things that helps our website functionality. Okay. So it's like push notification. This one is like date remover. So all those things, they really play much role in our day-to-day of running our website. Okay. So we have user. In our case, we are not building users, so we forget about it. Then we have tools. We won't talk much about it. Then we have settings. So on the settings, that's when you can also put your website name, And also these settings like putting your website name, putting the tagline also helps a lot in terms of search engine optimization. Like for example, let's just say legit jobs because that's the website. And then now you can see the website is well optimized. Hey, Maki. So you can see that the website is well optimized. So it's ranking number one in terms of like legit jobs. So after where's my tab? Okay. Okay, now here we have writing, we we have reading. So we actually have a lot of things, but most of the things we don't touch, and then the rest are just the plugins that we installed, which means on a normal website they're not gonna come until we need some sort of functionality. So now I think explaining the dashboard and everything we are done. So we just have to go to put in the name of the website, and then after put customizing your website actually, and then after that we're going to be starting to work on the content.